Hi, I'm Darlene. Thanks for stopping in. I just want to make this video because I know a lot of people are probably going through the same thing I'm going through. With the pandemic, we're not as active as we want to be, and we're putting on extra pounds. We're eating the same things, but we're just not as active. Now, on top of that, I'm over 50 now. You closer to 60. I'll be 58 next month. And you know, my health is very important and I want to be here. Of course, at this age and no matter what age you are, losses are real, and I want to take care of my health. I want to be here for the people that I care about. I want to be here for myself. And live a virtually pain free and more fit life, even despite this pandemic. So everything that I've tried it hasn't worked because, like I said, I tried it. Well, now I'm ready to, and I hope everyone else too, because now we're more inactive than we should be. But we have to push forward and take care of our health because little by little, the more we sit or the inactivity and keep snacking in the house, our health is failing. Okay, so this is one of the reasons I'm making this video, because I want to be proactive, and I hope whoever else is feeling the same way can, you know, take heed to the video that's going to be next. I don't want to diet. I believe that we should enjoy our foods, but within reason. I believe that we should learn what's healthy for us and make lifestyle changes. And I believe that we need to be fit. And I've learned that when we're working with weights, we help push our body to another fat burning level, right? So I'm committed to doing those things, and I hope you are too. Hopefully this helps out. But this the video that I found I want to share with you is gonna show you the steps to get ready, because right now I had a mindset change. I've seen a lot. I have my why I want to be here. I have two beautiful granddaughters, two beautiful daughters, and a new husband I want to be around for. I have beautiful families and friends that I want to see again. Forget this damn, excuse me, Zoom. I want to see him and touch him for real. You know, so I'm gonna get the weight off. I'm gonna learn how to do it in the right here in the home. When I go out, I'm gonna take my walks. I'm gonna turn it into a lifestyle change. It can't don't being in a house. That's not just the change. You have to have physical activity. The stress and the anxiety from not being able to do the things that you want to do. We have to manage those things now. A couple of months ago, I was having high blood pressure. I've never had a problem with high blood pressure. Well, it's been going on for the last 2 years. The doctor told me I better get it together. I had to shut it all down and manage my stress level. I suffered a great loss, but you're still here. No matter what you've been through, you're still here and you have to live, because the same pain that you feel when you have a loss, when something happened to you, your family's going to have that same pain. Let's prevent all that and let's take care of ourselves now. Okay, I'm not going to do this any longer. I'm going to show you this video and move forward. And this is real. It's time for us to change things, or we're not going to be here. Okay. All right. I love you. Thanks for listening. Please like.